My name is Victoria Garcia. I'm assistant engineer in the Engineering Directorate in Mercer Space Flight Center. I have two job responsibilities. I am one of the operators of the Virtual Environment Laboratory, which is a motion capture lab. It's actually a virtual reality lab where you put on a suit and a head-mounted display and the cameras will track your motions. My other responsibility is I create models for performance, for analysis. So right now I happen to be working on the next generation's version of the life support system. I love to do problem solving. I love to use practical application to solve the most tough problems they could have. My parents came from Cuba, so I grew up with the Cuban culture. My parents are very hardworking people. They raised me with the drive to work hard, have some goals in life, overcome any barriers that I have in order to meet those goals. Well, I was born deaf. They actually didn't find out that I was deaf until I was 18 months old. It took them so long to figure it out because I seemed to respond in terms of motions to people, what people were saying. They didn't know that I wasn't actually listening to them. I was actually interpreting them. Personally, I'm very proud of being independent. I feel like my independence came from me working hard to graduate, get my degree, to get a good job that I love my job. Need the life I want to lead. My mom has been absolutely, definitely the best influence in my life. She always told me, you know, that's the because deaf. You could be anything you want to be. I'm really respectful for my mom to give me a very balanced, well-rounded upbringing, you know, pushing me to work hard, but also, learn about other people and also just to respect others and not let anybody define who I am. I define who I am. I love Mama. One of the things that I would tell the next generation is, you really do have to work hard. There is no shortcut in life. Being a woman in a male-dominated area, a lot of guys working at NASA, a lot of guys in mechanical engineering. I can see why some girls are kind of hesitant to go into math science because it seems masculine. So I think now is a great time for girls to try. I mean, just try, to get involved. See if you like it. If you don't, that's okay. You get to move on and don't let any barriers stop you from what you want to do. Jump over the barrier, go around, dig under it, do whatever you need to do to get to where you want to go.